Hi, welcome to my creation station. My name is Marla, and if you love crafting, then I love you. I'm excited to be a part of the Thrift Flip road trip hosted by our Green Acres and Crafting Cousins. You'll find a link to the playlist down in the description box, as well as links to the channels of our Green Acres and Crafting Cousins. Now let's get on with our road trip. I found several treasures on my road trip between Louisiana and Arkansas. Let's take a brief look around and then we'll get to flipping. I found the Easter Bunny on the left for $3, so we're going to do a makeover on him. To soften his brown color a bit, we're going to add some white wax. I'm just going to brush it on and then wipe it off. I just worked in sections until I had covered the whole bunny. I think he turned out really cute. I purchased these two woven eggs for 30 cents each. These two metal eggs were 25 cents for the small one and 50 cents for the larger one. All we're going to do to these metal ones is give them a coat of gold spray paint. The woven eggs are cute just as they are, so I'm just going to add some embellishments inside. Some green Spanish moss, as well as some Easter eggs and a bunny rabbit.
Flying, chasing every beam of sunlight. We're running after all the color, galaxies we will discover. Up above the ground, reaching for starlight. We're defying gravity, there is nothing else we need. 30,000 feet, the clouds go by, we're going faster. It's just you and I, our dreams inside, our dreams.
This white basket was purchased for $1.10. I got a whole bag of these wooden legs, feet. I'm not sure what they are. They look like corn holders. But I got a whole bag of those for $5.99. So we're going to use these to add feet to our basket. I took the wooden pieces and stuck them right through the basket.
A final landing is inside. Above the clouds is always light. Looking up above for navigation.
Once I knew it would sit level, I pulled them back out and added some hot glue.
30,000 feet, the clouds go by, we're going faster. It's just you and I, our dreams inside, our dreams inside. We don't need the world below.
Using some needle nose pliers, I bent the wire pieces down so they would be more flush with the basket.
Here
And here's how it turned out.
Soaring through the sky with you, I'm fine, not scared of falling. Captivating sights, look in your eyes, my heart beats darling. Just don't let go, it's vertigo, we're going faster.
And here's the way I styled the eggs in the basket.
We don't need the world below. We'll fly like airplanes. We'll fly like airplanes. It's just
This little Easter bunny basket was $3, but I got it for half price, so I got it for $1.50.
come take my hand and we'll fly like airplanes.
It looks like parts of it were pink at one time but had faded, but we're going to take it outside and give it a coat of white spray paint. Also removing the pink button eyes and replacing them with black ones. His tail is pretty cute as it is, but I'm going to jazz it up a little bit and add a white pom-pom ball.
Flying, chasing every beam of sunlight. We're running after all the color. Galaxies we will discover. Up above the ground, reaching for starlight. We're defying gravity. There is nothing.
I added a little Spanish moss and some Easter eggs. That fits perfectly in my bedroom.
It's just you and I. Our dreams inside. Our dreams inside. We don't need the world.
I hope you enjoyed taking this road trip with me today, and I hope to see you again here on my creation station. As always, I wish you peace, health, and sunshine. Bye now.